Binawi na ni Senador JB Ejercito yung kanyang pirma dito sa objection letter na kumukontra nga dito sa contempt order laban dito kay Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Una lang ang sinabi ni Senador Robin Padilla na kasama nga itong si Senador JB Ejercito sa mga pumirma dito sa umu-object sa contempt order ni Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Subalit binawi rin ito ni Senator JB Ejercito. Basahin natin yung naging statement ni Senator JB Ejercito. Initially, I made a decision to sign the objection letter initiated by Senator Robin Hood Padilla on the contempt ruling of Senator Risa Hontiveros against Pastor Apollo Kibuloy in consideration of the procedural practicality. This was based on the fact the Department of Justice has already pursued charges of sexual abuse and disqualified trafficking against Pastor Kibuloy. But after careful review of the facts, witness testimonies, and additional information, such as the allegation of rape during the last committee hearing, I have decided to withdraw my signature today. Furthermore, my consultation have revealed strong precedents indicating that ongoing cases can still be heard and investigated in the Senate. This means Pastor Kibuloy will get an opportunity to present his side. Rest assured that the Senate will ensure fairness throughout the proceeding. Tignan natin yung last paragraph ng kanyang statement. Rest assured that the Senate will ensure fairness throughout the proceedings. O ganun sana. Kailangan fair. Walang pinapaboran o kinikilingan. Sa umpisa pa lang Sa umpisa pa lang ng pagdinig ay pinapaboran na kaagad yung iba nating mga senador. Hayaan muna sana nating may present yung side ng both parties, ng mga biktima at itong akusado. Pero paano mangyayari? Sa umpisa pa lang may pinapabura na. Saka ito namang si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy, kung alam naman niyang wala siyang ginawang masama at wala siyang tinatago, bakit hindi na lang niya harapin? Para malaman din natin yung kanyang panig. Hanggang dito na lang muna ulit tayo mga kaseryoso. Thank you for watching.